Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Nissan Juke headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs, typically H7. Make sure your engine is completely off and cool to the touch to prevent any burns. Always refer to your Nissan Juke's owner's manual for precise bulb specifications and important safety guidelines before you begin. This ensures you have the right parts and follow proper procedures. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. Open your Nissan Juke's hood and identify the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove some plastic covers or even an air intake duct to gain clear access. These are usually held by clips or a few screws. Once you have a clear view, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the rear of the bulb by pressing its release tab and pulling it straight off. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wires. With the connector off, it's time to remove the old bulb. Depending on your Juke model, you'll either unclip a retaining spring or twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to release it. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb, aligning any tabs, and secure it by re-engaging the retaining spring or twisting the holder clockwise until it locks. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, making sure it clicks into place. Before putting everything back, turn on your Nissan Juke's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. This saves you from having to redo steps later. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Finally, reinstall any covers or ducts you removed, ensuring they are securely fastened. You've successfully changed your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.